Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color something super fun, a beautiful house.
Yay!
Are you ready to join me? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's get started. First, let's draw the roof of the house. Start by drawing a big triangle right in the center of your paper. Nice and pointy at the top. Now, let's make the house bigger by adding another rectangle roof right next to the triangle. This will be for the second part of the house. Great job! Next, let's draw the walls underneath both roofs. Draw a big rectangle under the triangle roof and another one under the rectangle roof. Look how it's coming together. Now, let's add windows. Draw a square window on the triangle roof side and a rectangle window on the other side. Let's add a door to the house. Draw a small rectangle in the middle of the first wall. Don't forget to draw a little circle for the doorknob. Great work! Every house needs a cozy chimney. Let's draw a small rectangle sticking out from the top of the triangle roof. This is perfect for a warm fire. Now, let's make the front of the house look pretty by drawing some bushes. Draw bumpy, curvy lines at the bottom of the walls for some nice greenery. It's time to make the sky look cheerful. Let's draw a big, round sun with lines radiating out like rays on one side of the house. So bright! Finally, let's draw a fluffy cloud on the other side of the sky. Use bumpy lines to make it nice and puffy. Perfect! Wow, our house looks amazing! Let's make it stand out by going over all the lines again with the black marker. Look how bold and sharp it is now. Isn't it looking awesome?
Yay!
Now it's time to color our house. We're going to use rainbow colors to make it bright and cheerful. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
You did an amazing amazing job drawing and coloring this beautiful house. I'm so proud of you. Don't forget to show your artwork to your friends and family. If you had fun, hit the like button and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.